Once upon a time, in a beautiful village in the countryside, there lived a curious young girl named Emma. Emma had a big love for learning new things, especially the English language. One sunny afternoon, while walking through the village, Emma saw a dusty old book lying by the roadside. She was curious, so she picked it up and cleaned it. To her surprise, it was a book full of exciting stories. Emma took the book home. Every day after finishing her chores, she would sit by the window in her cozy room and read the magical English stories. She started with simple tales about animals and nature, and slowly moved on to more difficult stories. Emma would underline new words and try to learn their meanings. She asked her family members for help with pronunciation and meanings, and they were always happy to help her. One evening, while reading a story about a brave princess, Emma saw a new word: fearless. She didn't know the meaning, so she looked it up in her dictionary. She learned that fearless means brave and not afraid. Emma was happy to learn this new word and wrote it proudly in her notebook. Day by day, Emma's English improved. She could now read and understand more difficult stories, and even started talking in English with travelers visiting the village. One day, during a village festival, she saw a group of English-speaking tourists. Remembering her love for English, she walked up to them and started a conversation. To her joy, she was able to communicate clearly with them. The tourists were impressed by her confidence and English skills, and they invited her to travel with them. Excited for a new adventure, Emma said goodbye to her village and started her journey to explore the world. She traveled to faraway places, met people from different cultures, and made new friends from around the world. Emma realized that learning English had opened many doors for her. With courage in her heart and a thirst for knowledge, she continued her journey, always thankful for the old dusty book that had started it all. Do you want to learn English like Emma? Then, like this video and subscribe to my channel, English Top Top, for more easy English stories and learning tips. Let's grow your English, step by step, just like Emma.